Hello friends, once again this is me, unknown personality. Today I am going to share some new leaks and rumors about Galaxy Note 22. Let's start, but firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming interesting videos. So far we don't know anything about the Samsung Galaxy Note 22. With all the leaks and the rumors so far simply being focused on whether or not there will be such a phone. There are some things that can be quite confident of through if the Note 22 does launch. For one thing, it obviously going to have an S Pen stylus, and unlike the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, which also have a stylus port, the Note 22 is sure to come with the stylus as standard and have a built-in slot to store it. We'd also expect the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 to have two top-end power, probably packing the best available Snapdragon chipset in some regions, including the US, and the best available Exynos one in other, including the UK. That's typically what happened with this range. Beyond that, there's a chance that it will have an under-display camera. Now, the Samsung has equipped the Galaxy Z Fold 3 with one, but we are less sure of that. It will probably also have a lot in common with the Samsung Galaxy S22. So once the phone launched, probably in January, we'll be able to say more. Hope you like this information. See you in the next video. Bye bye.